In this video, I show you how to get call option on TikTok or call option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, you can see that there is no call option. Click on your profile icon, then click on three line, then click on settings and privacy. Scroll down, then click on help center, then click on report a problem, then click on online reporting form. Now click on select option, report a bug or feature request, category, feature suggestion, enter your username, then contact your email, enter your email address, then write here TikTok call option not showing. Type here TikTok call option not showing problem. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. If you take a screenshot, then upload this screenshot from here and tick mark, then submit. After doing this, now I hope that TikTok call option add. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.